Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking budget earbuds. It's called T20 and it's done by a company called Tranya. This is really outstanding earbuds. It has a switch mode that you can switch from regular voice to a bass voice. So this way, if you have a different type of music, this will work perfectly for you. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this user manual. You can see it does indicate that this is T20. Also, it will tell you that this comes with 15 months of warranty. Now, as soon as you activate it, going inside of it is the package content, which we are capturing right now. Also important notes about the actual earbuds in the docking station. Now going inside of the touch control, what you will really do, we will try to capture most of them and also the switch sound effect. Now we're going to demonstrate that to see how that works. Also power on, power off, how it will really work. Now we're going more in depth inside of it of earring, charging, and also how everything will really work for you. Now what I really like is the question and answer right at the bottom, the FAQ, and if you look on the other side, you have a little QR code, so this way you can get some more information and support. Doesn't matter which platform you're on, you're going to get supported. What I like is it says support at nameofthecompany.com. Exactly, that's what really stands out with these guys. I have to mention that it does come with this little sticker. I really like this. So if you have any kind of speaker or you have a laptop you want to hook this up to, it comes with this little charging cable. One side is USB 2.0 and the other side is the USB Type-C. That means it's this really short wire and it will charge your docking station really fast. Now it also comes with this little earbuds, and these are ear tips, so that way you can replace it just in case if you have a wider part for your ear or a smaller or bigger, you can replace them. On top of that, if it's wear and tear, you want to replace it with these, will work perfectly. But this is the way that they have packaged it. Now comes the big part, the actual docking station. Now it has a little plastic around it that you can take off, and here's the docking station. I really like that little design that they have created. Really like the way that it's been designed. There is the little LED indicator once you turn it on. If you look on the top, it has their logo nicely embedded. And when you go to the front, this is the part that you can open and the earbuds are sitting inside. Now before we get there, let's just flip it in the back. You can see the hinge, that the way that is created so it doesn't break. And when you flip it in the bottom, you can see the charging part, which is USB Type-C. Now going to the front, here's the LED that you can see that it does need to be charged a little bit, but once you go inside, you do have some markings which will tell you left and right. And once you take the earbuds out, here's the inside of it. Yes, those are the little parts that will charge up your earbuds, and then the inside of it, how it really sits, is very nice and shiny. But once you close it, this is how it really looks. Now the earbuds itself are really nice too. You can see that right now it is blinking. That means it is needed to be paired. Now going around it, doesn't have much stuff around, but this is the touch part that you can touch and it will do your commands. There is a little hole right in the bottom, which is going to be for the mic. Going to the back part of it, it does indicate this is the left one, and there's the charging part that will connect to your docking station to charge. The ear tip itself is really nicely designed too, and here's the little sensor and the mic, so that way you can grab your voice, which we will test in a few seconds. Now going on the other side is exactly the same. The touchpad is really nicely done. There's the little cut so you can talk, and then if you look on the top, there is another little section for the sensor. Going to the bottom part of it, you have the writing that says this is the right one and the charging, and then the ear tips. Again, it's designed really nicely. Alright, so now we will get this paired to our phone. Now we're using Note 9, so from the top we're going to scroll down. Once the Bluetooth comes on, grab your docking station and open it up. Take the one of them out. In this case, I'm going to take the left one out. and automatically it should find it for you on your phone. So mine is right over here. I will select it, and now it says that it requires to be connected, and now it is connected. There's some bar, and also it says that right now that there's 80% of battery. So once you go to settings, you can see that the calls and audio are connected with this. Let's go through and test it out. Alright, so here you go. This is our video from YouTube. So if you long tap and then long tap again, it should start playing it. You see that there's not much latency when you're trying that. It's perfect when you process it. And if you do it twice, you can see that it changes the whole video. And if you process it again, it just changes it again to a different one. So this is a really cool way to play with your earbuds while you're watching a video. So that's not it. Let's go through right now and test it out to see how clear the sound will be from this camera or from the earbuds that are coming from the phone. So that means is when you're making a call or when you are trying to record something as a voice on your phone. Alright, so in this part, we will grab our earbuds and put it in our ear, and then we're going to test it out to see how good that is. We're going to have a little indentation right over here that will tell you which mic we're using, if it's this camera or the actual phone that we're recording to. So in a couple of seconds, we will start. Alright, so you can see that right now I do have some sound cancellation, so it sounds like I'm talking in my own head. The voice right now comes from this camera. And let's go through and start the recording, which is now. So now it's recording directly from the earbuds. And you can see that the soundbar goes up and down, and that means is how good it grabs the sound. So I do not know right now how it really sounds, but you can tell if it's coming from a room or it's very near to you, that how good this will pick up the sound for you while you're recording. But this is how better or how good it is. So I will click on stop. In this way, now it goes back to this camera. So this is how beautiful the sound quality will be when you are trying to talk on the phone with other people on the other side. So one feature that I really like about these earbuds is once you have it in your ear and you want to go to the gaming mode, or it's called the bass mode, so that way you can have a proper bass and that way you can hear your music a lot better, then you have to, there's a little sensor right over here. You have to tap that 4 times and it will switch to the bass mode. That's a beautiful part. Another cool thing that I really like is it doesn't matter if you have to do that on a left or right. And now if you want to get out of it so you can have your regular day-to-day music, and also you want to go for jogging, and on top of that you do not want to have the bass, but you want to have a really crisp voice in case you want to get a call, you have to tap that 4 times and it's off. Simple as that. Another cool feature that I really like is that if you want to turn off your earbuds without putting it in the docking station, you have to long hold the bottom part, the little sensor, for about 3 seconds, and you let it go and it turns off. So this way you're not going to use the battery with your earbuds while you do not have your docking station with you at that moment. So this is a really cool thing to play with. I mentioned that while we are testing this, the sound quality on this is beautiful. The bass actually works with that little click that they have, so you can switch it to a bass mode and also to the regular. Again, on both of them the sound is very clear and crisp. I really like this, that how it really sounds. And one more thing I have to mention is while you're charging it, yes, it has a different color mode right in the front with a little LED sign that is right over here. That is another really cool thing that I really like. But when you want to listen to your music, it really pops. It really brings that quality that you're looking for through this earbuds. So yes, the latency is very small. Even when you want to play a game or something, you want to listen to the music, perfect. If you even want to use your Netflix on your phone, sound effects, and also the beautiful surround sound system, and they made it more stereo-ish with this earbuds. But when you want to listen to those music and also to those videos and movies, oh my God, there's really small amount of latency on this. So this really pops and really stands out with how this is created. Alright, so this was our take on Tranya's T20, which is a budget earbuds, and again, it has everything jam-packed with really good sound effects inside of it. So I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.